Teaching how to fix a rope. So we are going to come back here. Yeah, this is how it's made. Get me the tools.
You have to make sure you have your Allen keys.
Then come here. You have to lose this. The purpose of losing this will enable you to bring this here. Don't try to use it. Yeah. So use it. When you use that one, please do that. Okay. Abraham, give me a solid tape. It's a solid tape. Yeah. Use that part. Use that part. Then you bring it in. Bring it in. Then you use your Allen key. The Allen key. Release this so that we can. So that you can release this. Don't hold it, leave it. You leave it. Watch what I'm doing. Remove your roll. So these are rolls. So when you're fixing the roll, you have to make sure this side, you have to make sure you see Cosinini, not on the upside down. Not like this. You don't have to see Cosinini on the upside down. You have to see Cosinini clockwise. Yes.
Don't explain me. I want.
You leave it that way. Wait, I'll show you. And you fix the roll. Now the moment you put the roll inside, there's a hole here. See? Then you bring your locker. Then you bring your locker. It's working. But there is a hole under. So you have to push it. Make sure it is aligned like this. So after fixing the rope, you should not see any hole under. And tight it. Then you push it inside. You're not done. Lock it. Lock it. For locking it, you use the tape. And the last part here. I'll tight it. Yeah, you tight it.
Lock.
When you fix it,
When you fix it,
then you
lock.
tight it, then you lock it. Yeah. You lock it so that it will move. Now, yes. This, there, like this. Then you go, you come here. Abraham, can you pause it and start another one afresh? Then you come here. What? No. Then make sure. Then you come here. You make sure you come here. The reason why I kept this here, I don't want any leakage. Then you pull much more.
They never use a ball. They never use a ball. Yes,
No, I don't think so. Because what you just did there is inappropriate. That's what I was asking you. Are you sure you didn't see any other thing in the machine? Did you look well? Did you look really well before fixing that thing? Did you look really well before fixing this thing? Before fixing this?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Go on. Are you a good observant? Abraham?
Yes.
Are you a good observant? Are you? Do you observe things well?
Yeah, this is fixing.
I want you to go to the other machine, open it up, and look at this thing, and come and tell us if what he has done is correct. Abraham,
Yes.
have you seen it? Is it enough? Okay. Yes. Look at his wall and come and tell us what he did is correct. Come and look at what he has done. Is it correct? Oh, good. Why?
Useless.
Good. That's why I was asking him, is he a good observant?
To put this here.
That's why I was asking him. That's why I was asking you, are you a good observant? You opened the machine, you didn't see anything at all?
I don't see this. I don't see this.
But you saw this.
Yes, I
So why didn't you
I think that
give it a close look?
I think that it's put also here. I'm going. First, I put this first.
Okay. So when you came, this was like this.
Yes.
This was like this, and you changed the position.
Yeah, I'm changing. I don't see this.
Which I didn't help. I intentionally did remove this. So this is how it's like.
I don't sound this. I didn't see this.
You didn't see this,
Yeah,
so then you're not a good observer. Whenever you open the machine, you have to look very well. Is something missing? Is a bolt removed? So that's why I intentionally did this.
I think that it is this to put here.
No.
But the position is good. The position is good.
Yeah, we will adjust it. Alright. So I intentionally did that so that whenever you open the machine, you have to look. Okay?
Yes.
Look into the machine because I have to see what you're making all the time. Bam, the bolts can lose. So if you open the machine, you have to look through the machine. If no bolt is loose, this has a purpose, I'll show you. So fix your row. Fix your row.
It is good.
Yeah. So people, today we are still continuing on how to fix a row.
Yes.
So Richard is trying hands today too on how to fix a row. So I intentionally dismantled some of the setup to see if he would be able to see any changes, but he failed. So next time I think he will get that right. Look at how he's struggling. Man, fixing the roll on your shoulder. Okay, Abraham is also fixing his roll. Let's see his turn up. Abraham, are you sure your alignment is okay? Abraham?
Yes.
Are you sure your alignment is okay?
Yes.
Okay, good. Abraham, you don't need to pull too much before you fix the plates. Stop teaching him. Let him do it. Patron? What are you doing? Are you done?
Yes.
Let me check. Okay, here. Okay. Okay. Okay, good. Good.